Nashville and surrounding areas. This is Pastor Riley of Living Water Temple Church. July 30th, 2022. July 30th, 2022, from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., you are invited to our Living Harvest Day. Well, what is that? I'm glad you asked me. It is our food and clothing drive and back to school giveaway. We are giving away food boxes, we are giving away clothing, and we are also giving away backpacks that are pre-filled with school supplies. If you or your young person are in need of any of these things, please join us at 2422 Alameda Street. That is 2422 Alameda Street in Nashville, Tennessee. If you need any directions, if you need any help, if you need any clarity, please call us at 615-973-3381. Call us or text us at 615-973-3381 or email us at livingwatertemp. That's livingwatertemp at gmail.com. We love you real big, and please remember there's always room for you at Living Water Temple Church. We'll see you soon.